forward to tomorrow because we are going to Castlemaine by a steam train, which will be fun.
It certainly will.
I'll tell you tomorrow if it'll be fun, Claudia.
Okay.
See you guys.
Bye.
Good morning. I'm here with Peter
Good
and
morning.
Jen,
Morning.
and I'm also here with Stuart and Claudia, and we're about to do a locomotive steam train ride to Castlemaine. Now,
Maldon.
from Maldon. Okay, in 1884, the first locomotive steam train arrived into Maldon station. 3 daily services took place until passenger services closed in 1936, and finally the line closed in 1976. But today, thanks to the volunteers, we are able to ride a steam train all the way from Maldon to Castlemaine, Peter.
So it's a regular service, a regular weekly service to take us to Sunday Mass.
And it's run by volunteers, and anyone can volunteer, and you can volunteer once a week or once a month, and you can even volunteer once a year.
So when we decide to retire, we can come to Maldon and become volunteers. See you on the train.
See you.
Don't know about we.
Train now. We're boarded, and we have a beautiful, comfortable.
We have our own private booth here, which is very nice.
And it's just like the Hogwarts Express.
And
And the
Polar
Polar
Express.
Express as well. And here's our ticket.
And turn around.
Hello, I'm just enjoying myself. I'm going to relax and unwind. There's a few loose springs in the seat, however, and they're sticking up your bum.
Here's an old train, Peter.
Talking about old trains.
Yeah, so. And we're going to go through Muckleford station, isn't that right, Stuart?
Muckleford, yes.
Yeah.
Which was closed as a station back in 1941.
Okay, because it was the only one stop between Castlemaine and Maldon.
Yeah.
It's a 45-minute train ride from Maldon to Castlemaine. Golly, it's going to be slow.
For 17 kilometres.
Chug it.
The little red caboose is up the front. I think I can.
Alright, let's enjoy the journey.
Bye. Thank you very much. These people are trying to pretend they've got tickets because they're busy with their cameras, but I know. Thank you very much. Thank Yeah, yeah. So what they did, they built 60 of these all up. The first 30 were coal burns, and then the last 30 were oil burns. It was one of the, that giant tank right behind you there. We hold 1,500 gallons in that.
And your water behind that?
Yep, and all that, it's underneath. We hold, there's 41 under that, yeah.
We got our Pringles, we got our coffees. We're at Castlemaine and we are on our return journey to Maldon. And I think Jenny told me that the train travels is at 20 miles max speed 20 miles per hour. So we're going to go chugging back to Maldon. We've come to the
End of the line.
yes, we've come to the end of the line and we have enjoyed our
Trip?
It was a train trip, Joe. What do you think it was?
Our ride?
locomotive steam train.
It was actually called the Iron Horse, as the
And why is it called the Iron Horse, Peter?
because Stuart, in Northern America, when the Indians first saw the train coming along the line, they thought it was a horse but is iron.
Well, there you are, there's a bit of trivia for you. And behind us is the old railway station that was built in 1888, which we will walk through. Okay, that's all from us today. And I
Walking
hope
through the walls or the doorway, Joe?
the doorway.
Oh, good.
Anyway, we hope you have enjoyed coming along with us on our ride to Castlemaine from Maldon on a 1953 train.
Thank you for listening.
And over and out.